Hi guys, this is crochet flower tutorial and I'm going to use 2.5 millimeters crochet hook and yarn called Jeans by YarnArt and start with magic ring. Now I'm going to show you how to make the smaller flower. So start with magic ring. And chain 3. And now we are going to make double crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab the yarn, pull it through 2, grab the yarn, pull it through 2. And make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Okay, I have 3 double crochets and now you have to make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Chain 3 and repeat it again. So you need to make 3 double crochets into the magic ring. Okay, I have 3 single crochets in magic ring. Now slip stitch into the magic ring and this is second flower. This is the second flower, so chain 3 and you need to make a total of 4 flowers. Okay, I have done 4 flowers. So last slip stitch into the magic ring, then pull it and you can trim the yarn. And now you can tighten the magic ring. Okay, and then make a simple knot on the wrong side of the flower with both ends. Okay, and this is the smaller flower, and now I'm going to show you how to crochet the bigger one. Okay, so start with the magic ring and then chain 4. And now we are going to make treble crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over twice. Insert your crochet hook into the magic ring. Grab the yarn, pull it through. Sorry. I'm going to do it again. So yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull it through. Now you have 4 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through 2. Grab the yarn, pull it through 2. And grab the yarn and pull it through last 2 stitches. And you have to make 4 treble crochets in total. Okay, I have 4 treble crochets in magic ring, and now slip stitch into the magic ring, and we have done first flower. So chain 4 and repeat it again. So you need to make 3 more flowers. Okay, it was last treble crochet and last flowers. So slip stitch into the magic ring. You can trim the yarn and you can tighten the magic ring, and you have done the bigger flower. Okay, this is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. And this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you soon.